We're about to make that thang pasta. Yeah, I didn't even have a name for it, but whenever I make it, I'm like, ooh, I'm about to make that thing. Here you go. We need some peppers, onions, garlic, heavy cream, sausage, chicken, shrimp. You see what it is. Look at it. Make sure you devein and clean your shrimp. Put some extra virgin olive oil, paprika, Old Bay seasoning. Just go ahead and mix that. Make sure you coat all of it. You want every bite to hit. Oh, this chicken, some pepper. I wasn't just gonna do like salt and pepper, but I remember I had this like kicking chicken seasoning. Oh my god, fire! Literally, you got a little kick to it. Hence the name. Start off with the shrimp. You know, shrimp don't take that long to make. And listen to that sizzle. Ooh, ooh. Man, I love pasta dishes, and I love Alfredo. Sometimes, like Alfredo, it just be too thick. Like the sauce be too thick. That's if you buy that can of. Oh my stomach hurts just thinking about it. Please don't buy bottled up Alfredo sauce when you can just make the shit at home yourself. Throw that chicken in there. Put that shrimp to the side. Cook everything in the same oil in the same pan. Don't even clean the pan. Just use everything. Use all that seasoning. Chicken's done. Look at all that. All that seasoning. All that flavor. Every bite, man. Every bite got flavor to it. There's the onions and garlic. We're going to throw the sausage in there now. Yeah, you forgot we had sausage. Ooh. Man. Throw some peppers in there for no reason. I think the peppers add a nice little flavor to it. The heavy cream. Let that simmer for a few minutes. Lemon pepper seasoning. Oh, parsley. That lemon pepper sets that sauce off. Now we're going to throw in that Parmesan and that sweet heat habanero. Parmesan, real creamy. Got a little kick to it, a little sweetness to it. And the sweetness from the peppers too. Oh, man. Throw that shrimp in there. That chicken. Oh, and just let it simmer for a little bit. Our pasta should be almost done. Ooh, red pepper flakes, man. Come on. Very little though, because you already got the heat from the chicken and the heat from the cheese. Toss that. Wow. Man, oh man, when I tell you this hit, bro. This hit. Look at it. Look at it. Trust me. Believe me when I say a gut was busted that day. Oh, bars.